Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In the previous tutorial, we have make it all the fields editable, and when we click on editable, we should populate save and delete button here, but it is not populating right now. So what we need to do, we need to traverse its location and then populate the new design within this action button. And for that, first of all, we will inspect this and get to the TD of this area. So we have edit menu link list, or we can simply check what class we are using, and okay, so once refresh, so we get the exact class. Here is the TD which we want to replace, and here the inner HTML code which we want to replace. So let's copy this, go to the click listener of edit menu link list. Here is the save click listener, and here is the delete click listener. Here is the edit click listener. Okay, right after this, here you can see we are populating the save and delete button. I will comment this, and here is the new structure script where we want to place the HTML. Okay, so what is the right HTML we want to place? In the top where we are declaring the first type data table, here we have this code which we need to declare when we click on edit. From div to div, I am copying this, and in the end here I will paste this code. So when I will click on edit, all the fields become editable, and the action button is get replaced by save and delete button. Okay, so here we have action, here we have edit menu link list and change into save, and also change the text as save. Now refresh it. After saving, refresh this here, and now you will observe when I will click on edit, it will replace this whole button with the save and delete. First time we have two buttons, edit and delete, in the action button, and upon you can see here edit and delete, and when I click on edit, all fields become editable, and we have save and delete right now. And when I will click on save, all the records or all the information extracted from the front end and sent to the back end. In this tutorial, our major segment is to save the records. Okay, so let's go to the save click listener, which is here, and now we need to replace these old scripts of the DOM with the new one, and for that we will use the edit. Here you can see we simply use the new structure from the edit. Okay, now we have to get this text from here. Okay, from EQ1 we will copy this and replace up to EQ0. Okay, so now we will copy and paste this from the edit click listener. Here is the value of 2 and 3. Copy this, go to the save click listener and paste there. Okay, it is getting the value of that, so we will use up to here. And once we will check that on the front end it is a valid script or not, and place the save class here and hit enter, so it is the valid. Okay, also we need to check this. Okay, so it is working fine. Now again we will check to extract the selected text from here. Okay, we are getting the selected text like this. I don't want to change this, but I want to change it later when I will get done with these scriptings. Okay, and we need to get the links ID, and for that we need to change this structure. Okay, we need to change this structure. Simply what I will do, I will traverse this manually. Here we have select, here we have children's, here we have TD. In the first TD, from here I want to extract the text which is the ID. Here it is, and place this element right here, and we need the menu location ID, and for that I have to manually traverse it again because we have again dot children, and in this children we have a select. Okay, we have here it is a select one, so I will choose dot eq0 dot attribute value, so it's giving me the undefined. Okay, we can use this thing. And it's giving me the right value. Replace this script, place this here. Okay, now we need to, up to here we are getting the information from front end, and by this code we will submit that information on front end, and for that we need to replace this information. How? Let's see. Here we have, from here up to here we will copy this and paste it here. Okay, so now what happened, these 3 lines of code will replace the data on front end. Okay, let me comment all this information, click Control S to save the record, and let's save the data on front end. So in the next video tutorial we will send this data on database, but right now we are just making our front end clean. So let's create edit, and I will say tutorial post 1 and click on save, so the record is get saved on the front end. I hope this tutorial is informative. If you have any kind of question regarding this, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care, bye bye, have fun.